What's the deal, y'all, man? I'm coming to y'all with another banger video. It's the Telegraph Cruise, and look at this. They out here. That boy, nigga. You hear that? And that boy on the tire. That boy sound good. Y'all look, so this. Whoa. Whoa. He tripping. He tripping. Man, we already getting started, y'all. So this weekend is the Telegraph Cruise weekend, man, and you know where we are. We on Telegraph right now, y'all, and it's already smacking. You know what I'm saying? It's already smacking. Well, over here it was already smacking. I had a whole car. Y'all saw the 300, the Charger, and then the more of them down there. The rest of them is down that way, man. I haven't even went down that way. Look at that. I haven't even went down that way, man, but it's rocking. See, she go crazy.
You gotta slide it out.
Hey, y'all ain't gonna like it.
You gotta slide. Hold on, I'm gonna tap in.
Hey, Scat Pack Killer.
Wait, what'd you say?
Scat Pack Killer?
Yeah, I'm just talking shit.
No, it
Can we
probably
see
is.
something? Can we see something? Yeah. Yeah. That's carbon fiber hood on it. That boy look cold. But right now, y'all, we finna go down where everyone else is, man. So let's get it. Bro, it's like 5 cops over there. No Keezy. Look. There's like 5 cops over here. What's going on? A lot of them just had their lights on, but it look like people chilling, but still. There's a few cops over there. What's going on? What's going on? Oh, I'm too geek. Why am I this geek? Look at this. Look at that tire. Big tire. Bro, that scat got a 2-step on it, bro. I just realized that. That's a 2-step on the scat. For some reason, all you smell over here is race gas, thoughts, and tire smoke. Look at this. Look at this. Whoa, that's a state boy. That's a state boy. That's a state boy. He trying to do that. Hey, get it. Oh, he held that. He held that. Okay.
You're good. Midnight.
Josh? Yeah. What's the deal?
What do you guys say?
Go ahead, shut that shit. Shut that shit.
That boy.
I'm getting marked. Put money on it.
Whoa.
Let's see, bro.
Look what he's saying.
Wow. This junk's so turned. This more turned than Ford.
Oh. Oh, who you going at? Right here. Go ahead. Right here. Right here. Go ahead. Let it go. Drive it like you stole it.
Oh, that smoke just started coming.
What? You got supercharged, that bitch?
We y'all get turned. F it. Take me for a ride. Just like that.
We ain't got to pay the ticket. You got to
That's a Mustang two-step.
You spin it, I'll pay your ticket first.
Alright, tell him what to do. Tell him what to do. Tell him kick down.
Hey, you spinning that boy? Hey, spin it and I pay the ticket.
Bro, this is a race car. Don't spin it. Hold on, wait. What tip you up?
571.
You so turned.
I'm about to call you, so don't be on the. This it?
Yes.
That's it?
Hey, I ain't about to drive out with this phone.
Hey, fuck that.
I'd be dead if you drove off with her phone, bro.
Where you staying?
I live around here.
I bet I'm about to take you.
You so thirsty. You teach me.
She said, turn that off. Because what if it's a fake number?
Nah, you too thirsty for that, bro. Don't worry. Look at this C8. Don't spin it. This is C8. It's all-wheel drive. Come on, bro. That it launched though. You're not good, Haas.
Thank you everyone for coming. See you tomorrow.
Late little lit night, man, and I decided to go get some McDonald's and look. The McDonald's line is smacking, dude. What tip?
Eventually.
Sorry for your wait. How can I help you today?
Can I get a medium fry with a large sweet tea and a 4-piece nugget?
What kind of sauce?
No sauce. Alright y'all, so I hope you guys did enjoy the video, man. It was a banger Telegraph Cruise type beat, man, but look, y'all gotta watch the next one. It's gonna be a big banger, man. I ain't gonna say too much. This is to be continued. No kizat. To be continued, man. Before I let y'all go though, please go down. Link in the description, man. Go cop some. You don't want to miss out, man. It's lit. You know what I'm saying? These hard. Go cop, man. Link in the description, y'all. But further to do, I ain't gonna hold y'all too much longer because y'all gotta wait. Y'all gotta see. Y'all gotta know. To be continued. Let's get it.
Getting green like the goblin. She meet me down in the lobby. We 10 floors up the highest. I can't do nothing about it. At this point it's a hobby. Getting green is just a hobby. Spark it up, we getting higher. Getting green and getting higher. And my room is getting louder. Getting green and getting higher. Getting green and getting higher. Getting green and getting higher. We 10 floors up, come and find us. 10 floors up and come and find us. 10 floors up and come and find us. I'm getting green like the goblin. She meet me down in the lobby. We 10 floors up the highest. I can't do nothing about it. Getting green like the goblin. She meet me down in the lobby. We 10 floors up the highest. I can't do nothing about it. At this point it's a hobby. Getting green is just a hobby. Spark it up, we getting higher. Getting green and getting higher. And my room is getting louder. Getting green and getting higher. Getting green and getting higher. Getting green and getting higher. We 10 floors up, come and find us. 10 floors up and come and find us. 10 floors up and come and find us. I'm getting green like the goblin. She meet me down in the lobby. We 10 floors up the highest. I can't do nothing about it.